fakie big spin, you are essentially riding backwards. So if my left foot is normally forward, you are doing the trick with your right foot forward. And there's 3 tricks you want to do before you link them all together. One is the fakie ollie, so when you're moving backwards, you are jumping. That's the first step. Second is a trick called the pop shove it. So your foot is going to be here, back foot's here. You're going to press and scoop and spin the board. And you want to get good at doing those going forward, and then in this trick you're doing it going backwards. So you're putting a lot of pressure in that back pocket, and the board's gonna spin around on you. So you're gonna be doing that with a fakie ollie, and then catching and turning with what's called a half cab. So that's a fakie and a 180. So when you put them all together, it's basically gonna look like rolling this way. You're gonna pop, shove, spin, catch it, and ride away.